With Imperien, welcome to 1 Million Cups.
Well, thank you. This is really exciting. I've been coming to 1 Million Cups for a little over a year and coming every week and seeing all the businesses out here. And to give a little background on what we do, I jumped out of the plane last year and started my own construction firm. And thanks to a lot of the folks here, Zethmeyer and Thinker Ventures and Stillman Bank and all the group here at 1 Million Cups, I think it's been really great coming here, and it's been really inspiring to start my own business and come here and talk to you about it now. So thank you very much to the group for helping me do that. So Imperien, we are a construction management company. What is that? Well, more or less, we build buildings. It's pretty simple, but I think we've got a little bit of a different take on it than most of the other companies around. So, let's see if we can get the slides up here. Let's try this guy. How about that? There we go. So we started last year from scratch to do a construction management firm. And I think what's different about us is we offer construction management, design, and the weird thing is site selection and incentive negotiation. That's a package that nobody else is offering right now in our market or even nationally. It's a very unique combination, and that's thanks to Carrie Zethmeyer, my partner, who owns Zethmeyer. We're able to package all of those services together for a client as a turnkey operation. But really, instead of going into too much depth about what we're doing, I wanted to take the time today to talk to everybody about what are some of those pitfalls that we're seeing our clients run into every single day. Every single project we work on, we see the same problems again and again, and it really doesn't matter, small projects, big projects. We see these same pitfalls, and our goal is to try and help our clients out of those pitfalls and avoid some of those costly mistakes. So we're going to be going over a couple of those common problems that we see clients running into every single day. So our first problem is spending too much of your own time on a project. We looked at several studies that are out there about small business owners and valuing their own time, and over 50% of small business owners value their own time at over $200 an hour. Every single hour that you spend working on a capital project for your business is an hour that you are not spending in the shop making money and making your business run. And on top of it, capital projects, I have to tell you, do not make you money. That building does not make you a single cent. It's the products that you're making in that building that are making your business run and be profitable. So why would anybody want to spend $200 an hour to spend their whole day working on a capital project when they could be focusing that time on their business and continuing their operation? Why would you do that? We see that every single day, project after project. There's no reason to do that. So what we're trying to offer folks is the ability to have someone come in and manage your project from start to finish. We're able to take your project from concept to design to completion, all with one single turnkey package. And that allows you, the business owner, to get back to what's important for your business, and that's running your day-to-day operations, selling your product. That is the most important thing that you can do to keep your business alive. So if you can find somebody to package all that together and keep your business running and run that project for you, it's a tremendous value to your business and the project. Client mistake number 2, finding out too late that the scope doesn't match the budget. So how often have you seen, a project that you want to take on, that you've got this great idea of some project you'd like to build, and then down the road you see, oh shoot, well, we don't have that much money. Oftentimes clients go through the process of finding an architect, an engineer, going through a whole design process, developing a full set of construction documents. It's very expensive, and you get down to the end of that, and now you go and jump in and find someone to price it, and you realize it's too expensive. Now you've got to go back and you have to redesign and reprice the entire project. So you've gotten through the design and pricing, but now you've got months of work that you have to redo. Why would you want to do that? How about if you could do design, scheduling, and budgeting simultaneously? So we take a process with our clients where we start with the concept and we sit down as a group with your bank, with the designer, with the engineer, and the contractors. And we look at that all from the beginning and we say, okay, what's your idea? What's your concept here? What do you want to accomplish with this project? And we start with what we call kind of the crayon drawings, the concept drawings. We'll throw some ideas down on paper and we come up with some basic pricing, maybe a square foot, $100 a square foot or something like that. And if that still is in the realm of reality for you, okay, let's develop those plans a little bit further and let's sneak up on that full project without going through full-blown plans. There are so many other client service providers that we run into that have tons of time wasted. Banks. How often do you have the problem of someone comes to you with this huge set of blueprints and says, boy, I'd love to build this. And you're like, boy, you don't have that much money. So now everybody's time has been wasted. So if we could approach a project from the beginning, bringing everybody together, it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money in the end. And we help put together a project that is both the physical infrastructure that you need and at the price that you can afford. Third client mistake is hiring individual contractors instead of a construction team. So as a client, your initial reaction is usually to go hire an architect. Well, then you got to hire civil engineer, you've got to hire contractors, you've got to hire electricians and plumbers, you've got to hire a site selector and a real estate broker, you've got to get incentives, you got to get a bank. You have to get all of these individual people. That's taking a lot of your time. Why would you want to manage all of those moving parts? Again, it goes back to the first slide of your time's worth about $200 an hour. Why would you want to spend all that time managing this huge team and potentially not putting together the right team? So what we do is we package together architects, builders, engineers, banks, financing, incentives. We package all that together and we give you one single point of contact for the entire project. You only need to talk to the construction manager, Imperien, for all of the needs on that project. You don't need to worry about the architect. We'll find the right architect for your particular project. We will find the right contractors for your particular project. If you go out and find some low bid, is that the contractor that has the expertise in exactly the type of project that you want to build? Not necessarily. So if we can package all of that together for you, it's going to, again, save you a lot of time and money down the road. It's going to find you're going to have a lot fewer changes in the project and ultimately a lot fewer change orders that cost you money. So I think we can package something together for you that makes it way, way easier to ultimately come to a sense of completion on that project for a much lower price. So again, I really want to thank the 1 Million Cups group here because it's been tremendous time coming here and talking with all you guys. I think something that has been really inspiring is hearing all these upstart businesses coming together, and it's been a tremendous, tremendous resource coming down here. So thank you to everybody. I implore you that if you are even thinking about a capital project with your business, a remodel, a build-out, a new expansion, a whole new building, come and talk to us first. Don't go and just hire someone to go and design something, because we can help you from the get-go and start that project off on the right foot and save you a lot of money from the start. So thank you.
All right, let's give Colin a hand.